Hello, BI103 Synoptic Gospels class. Synoptic Gospels are Matthew, Mark, and Luke. We're glad you chose this class. I'm your professor, Professor Shannon Truelove, and I'm looking forward to teaching you for 15 weeks. And hopefully I'll get to do a video every week, what we're doing, a little bit of instruction. So, make sure you do a lot of reading, and all the reading. Make sure you follow all the supplement readings that are in your weekly assignments. There are a lot of links, weekly assignments, and PowerPoints. Make sure you read the weekly assignments, PowerPoints, and the extra things that I'm sending on the weekly assignment board. The book that you'll be reading for this class, besides the Bible, Matthew, Mark, Luke, is this book, The Synoptic Gospels, An Introduction by Keith F. Nickel. Synoptic Gospels, An Introduction by Keith F. Nickel. Make sure you get this book. Make sure you read all your weekly supplement assignments that are on the weekly assignments under the tab. Read the PowerPoints, take notes, because when we take those three exams, each of them worth 100 points, true, false, multiple choice, very important that you have taken notes, read all the material, read the book, read the Bible, so you can be prepared for those exams. For this class, you have 10 discussion boards, plus an extra credit one, which is the introduction, which I'll talk about in a second. You have 8 assignments, which are 50 points each for a total of 400. Each assignment of those 8 must include a title page, which I provided in your resources, and must include a bibliography. Hopefully you cite this or other books that you are writing those papers for, and that's 400 points. And then you have your 3 exams, each worth 100 points. So discussion board, assignments, exams. That's it. And this is BI103. Remember, Matthew, Mark, and Luke are the 3 synoptic gospels. For your first week, make sure you have 2 discussion boards. One's going to be extra credit up to 20 points, which is important because that can be up to 2% extra credit. 20 points is a lot. So, and I'll include it on your 1B when I grade things, is your introduction. Your introduction must include about yourself, your name, including your name, where you're from, email address is optional, why you choose to attend Beulah Heights University, what brought you here, what was the forces that brought you here, and other information you wish to share about your family. Your initial post must be 250 words by Thursday at 11:59 p.m. Your 2 replies must be done by Sunday at 11:59 p.m. There are 125 words. Then you have another discussion board. So during this first week, you have 2 discussion boards going on. Make sure for this discussion board, you read Matthew, Mark, and Luke a little bit, scan it through, read throughout the class, Matthew, Mark, and Luke. View the PowerPoint presentation on the various forms of criticism that I provided for you under weekly assignments. Read the supplement on biblical criticism and discuss within yourself both negative and positive effects it had on the understanding of the Bible. Include the different types of criticism, such as source, form, literary, and redaction, etc. Your discussion board this week must be 250 words by Thursday at 11:59 p.m. This is the assignment. What is biblical criticism in general? Answer these questions. Number 2, what is source criticism in particular? Number 3, how does source criticism differ from form criticism? What's that? Biblical criticism, source, and form. Number 4, how would it affect your personal understanding of the Bible if you learn that Jesus himself may not have said and done things exactly the way the Bible explains them? That's important. How would that affect you? Would it at all? Would it affect your belief in this Bible's inspired Word of God? Make sure you post your initial post by Thursday at 11:59 p.m. Your 2 replies by Sunday at 11:59 p.m. 2 discussion boards this week. One's going to be up to 20 points extra credit. The other's 30 points towards your grade. So make sure you do these assignments. Make sure you get your assignments in on time. Read all material. Get your book. Read the weekly assignments, and you'll be okay. If you have any questions, please contact me. This is Professor Shannon Truelove. We'll talk to you next week. God bless. Bye.